To send money with Western Union, start by visiting the Western Union website or mobile app, or by going to a Western Union location near you. You will need to provide the recipient's name and location, as well as the amount of money you want to send. Choose your funding method, which can be a bank account, credit card, or cash, depending on the location and the services offered. Some locations may also offer additional services such as sending money to a mobile wallet or bank account. Next, provide the required information about the recipient, including their full name and address. You will also need to provide your own identification information, such as your name, address, and government-issued ID number. Review the transfer details, including the amount of money being sent, the exchange rate, and any applicable fees. Make sure all the information is correct before confirming the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, Western Union will provide you with a tracking number, also known as a money transfer control number. Share this number with the recipient, as they will need it to pick up the money. The recipient can then pick up the money at a Western Union location near them, using the tracking number and a valid government-issued ID. Some locations may also offer the option to have the money deposited directly into the recipient's bank account or mobile wallet. It is always a good idea to check the exchange rates and fees before sending money, as they can vary depending on the location and the funding method. Additionally, make sure to only send money to people you know and trust, and never send money to someone you have not met in person. By following these steps, you can easily send money with Western Union to almost anywhere in the world. The service is convenient, fast, and secure, making it a popular choice for people who need to send money internationally.